Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. Kolkata, the cultural capital of India, is a city that effortlessly blends tradition with modernity. And one of the most recognizable symbols of this city is its fleet of yellow taxis or holud taxis, what we Bangalis call. Over the years, these iconic yellow taxis have become a part of Kolkata's cultural identity, witnessing the city's evolution through time. The holud taxi is not just a mode of transport, it is a part of Kolkata's soul. It's an emotion. These highly capable machines were produced by Hindustan Motors in India and was really popular among government officials and dignitaries. You can hardly see these machines on road now, except for in Kolkata, where you get to see this beautiful classic standing proudly at every turn. As a car enthusiast, I really wanted to drive one of these, and so today I'm here driving the 2002 model Hindustan Motors Ambassador. Relive the nostalgia with me. This car with its dignified timeless design has been a fixture of Indian roads for generations. The Ambassador's exterior, graced by a distinctive chrome grille and round headlamps, is a visual embodiment of elegance and tradition. Its iconic silhouette is a piece of nostalgia that continues to grace every corner of Kolkata. Inside the Ambassador, you'll discover a world of comfort and space. The roomy cabin invites you to take a journey not just through the city but also through time, as it harks back to an era when life was simpler and conversations were richer. This car has been more than just a mode of transportation. It's an integral part of countless stories, from serving as trusty taxis navigating the city's chaos to gracing ceremonial processions and family outings. The Ambassador has played many roles. From its inception, it captured the essence of Indian roads and became a symbol of prestige. For countless individuals, owning or driving an Ambassador was a point of pride. The car became an integral part of their lives, a reliable companion for both everyday commutes and special occasions. Despite the changing times, a dedicated community of enthusiasts continues to cherish and preserve the Ambassador's legacy. Its longevity, dependability, and iconic design have made it a cultural touchstone. In a world where automotive technology evolves at breakneck speed, the Ambassador stands as a reminder of a simpler, more graceful time. It's a piece of history that continues to grace the streets of Kolkata and the hearts of its people. As we look back at its rich heritage, we see the Ambassador woven into the fabric of India's narrative. It has witnessed the changing tides of time while remaining a constant presence. The Ambassador lives on, a living testament to Kolkata's enduring spirit and a cherished piece of India's automotive legacy. It's not just a car, it's a journey through nostalgia, a connection to the past that continues to thrive in the present.